Oh, you in the hell, mama? You in the hell, mama?
Get your fingers out the way as soon as you can, too. So.
Oh.
All right, buddy. Good job.
You in the hell, mama? Oh, thank you for helping me.
The fingers are not a good side dish.
Yeah, really. Oh, what's that taste like, buddy? Is it kind of yucky? Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
You spit it all out.
It's not that yummy.
Put some sugar in there.
No. I'm behind his mouth while I'm dripping it all over him. Mom's not a pro at this shit, buddy. Sorry. He won't even open his...
He's sitting up well.
Is he? Because he's like all hunched over to
Well.
me. You okay, bud, man? Is it okay? You alright? Okay.
Look at that face.
It's kind of like, I thought the deal we had going was pretty good, you know? Can you see me open? Hi, buddy. You okay? Can you pick your head up?
Are we sure this isn't child abuse?
Oh, goodness. You okay? Oh, excuse me.
Hey, Daniel. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop.
Okay, let's try again, okay? Sit in the bumbo. Maybe I'll put him in my lap. He's...
You see something on the floor there, buddy?
Oh, he's about to lose it.